What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We got the boy today. So we're in a townhouse. They say they're having issues with the drains in the bathroom. There's probably a little bit of hair in the bathtub, and you guys can see, not really. There's a lot of junk down there. So let's get started with this first. We also have a kitchen sink we gotta look after. She said that's draining slow as well. So we're gonna plug the overflow. So I felt something solid there. So I'm just gonna so, as you guys can see, I got some jewelry. Looks like fake. Right. I don't know if she's gonna want this or not. We're gonna toss this stuff in the garbage. I'm gonna plug this up, let it run down the overflow, make sure everything's draining good. I think the overflow might be plugged up. meantime, we're gonna I think that overflow is plugged up. We know that's running now. So I was able to get down through the trap and into the stack. Now I want to see if I can force the cable up the shoe. Well, as you guys can see, I do got a little bit of hair here. Hair and hair ties. Can you flush that toilet? Just make sure that's flushing properly. Sounds like it, so that's good. Like I said, I want to snake up through, see if I can get into the shoe. Okay. Everything looks like it's draining good there. So we're gonna wrap up here. We're gonna head downstairs to the kitchen. I may not talk while we're there just because the tenant probably don't want to be on camera and don't want to seem like I'm crazy talking to a camera. I might do an voiceover. So give me a minute, we'll be right back. Pass me the bucket there. Yeah, see here? That's what I meant, how it spins. Okay, ma'am. You got there's a lot of straws going down your sink.
Sorry.
No, you're good, you're good. So I'm not going to mention anything to the management.
Yeah.
Because if I do, they're going to give you the bill.
Yeah.
I've never been in your unit before, so.
My son has special needs and autistic.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he has a thing that shoving stuff down the drain, I think.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's all it was. Everything seems fine now. And this video isn't for management.
Yeah.
I put these up on YouTube.
Yeah.
Right? So, yeah, basically, yeah. But just so you know, right? Management don't follow me, so that's good.
Thank you. I
What I would recommend to you is
keep my son out of the sink.
yeah.
Like honestly.
But it's hard.
It's hard, yeah. How many straws? Like a lot? Alright. Okay.
Probably about 10 in there. I know they had a lot of issues with the drain outside, eh?
Yeah, that was a thing for me too. I thought everything was connected, so I'm like, it must be like my whole house is backing up, but no, it's just the straws.
But yeah, no. Well, we had our guys here a couple days last week.
Yeah.
Was it last week? Or this week?
Yeah.
Maybe the beginning of this week.
It was the beginning of last week. It was sometime last week. But they were draining it, yeah.
Yeah, but the guys were here yesterday as well, and they ended up actually having to go down the manhole and get all the stuff out.
That's
like,
crazy.
There was like 4x4s down there, big
really?
stones, yeah,
That's
sticks.
Crazy.
Yeah. So other than that, I think you're good to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice and easy. This your garbage?
Yeah, you can just like that.
Perfect. No problem. My name's Jay. This is Logan.
Hi.
And yeah. So just watch what's going down your drain.
Yeah, I will.
And your bathtub's clear. I pulled a little bit of hair out of there.
Yeah.
But
Nothing crazy.
all normal stuff.
Yeah, okay.
And we checked your toilet. That seemed fine.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna let you put everything back
Yeah,
together.
that's fine.
All right.
Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. I
No,
appreciate it.
not a problem. All right, guys, there you go. This has been Jay, that drain guy. That's Logan. And till next time, Taragna.